No?
Coliseum.
Oh. That's the Coliseum.
Isn't that fucking killer?
Hell yeah, dude. Look at that.
I had to get a close look.
Coliseum.
Awesome. Rome, Italy. With our driver, Luca.
There's your
Fuck
night
yeah.
walker right over there, man.
Huh?
There's your night walker.
Yeah, I know. I got a. Luca said she's not a chick.
Oh, yeah.
Or.
Oh no, the mid that.
Oh my God, that's badass.
That's just fucking amazing, dude.
Yeah, fucking killer, dude.
Look at that.
Hang on, baby.
Shit, I'm gonna. Watch your step. Watch out, Danny. It's Kevin Goocher in front of the Coliseum. What the fuck was that?
Alright? Yeah.
Was that you? Boom, boom.
Let's do it real quick.
That's totally fucking cool, man.
Same thing like right there.
Badass.
Probably happening. Oh
Yeah.
Well, the fact that we all got here to just play games is cool. That way we got to see something
Exactly.
like this.
Makes it that much better, huh?
Well, check out.
That's cool, man. Come on, get in the picture, man. You get in the picture, old Luca. Yeah.
Once in a lifetime.
Daniel, come on, man.
You know, we don't get to see that.
Come on, man.
Run, Danny, run!
Some badass shit right here.
Hi, I'm Lipsus Maximus.
Lipsus Maximus.
Gentlemen, on my command, unleash hell.
They came from the other side of the road. We're going, holy fuck, look, there's a cop.
Oh, yeah, no shit.
Because the cops were following this other car that just left.
Yeah, they were all drunk and they all left and the cop was on their ass.
Talking about this right here.
We are here with Action 1 News. You're just witnessed a traffic accident, middle of the night. Good thing the cops were on scene. Seems to see everybody's okay. This is Chip Salzberg, the second, reporting live from Roma.
Oh, that's a wrap.
Yeah, we better get the fuck out of here, guys.
They don't care about us. They go by us twice. Yeah, really. Didn't even stop and say, what are you doing?
I'm not stopping my record until we get back to the thing.